Crew, hey, I just got an order for a Moo Mug, and I am packaging this Moo Mug up, and I'm sending it off to Oklahoma. The great mug, 20-ounce mug. I use it for my coffee almost every morning, and it's on our website, thecowsgomoo.com. I usually put a little note in here saying muchas gracias, and this is going to Paige in Oklahoma, and I usually also put in a little either a sticker. This is a pin, and so hopefully they will enjoy that. Thanks for following us on TikTok. Our TikTok shop is where we sell most of these mugs. Pretty soon we're going to have Beaker the Cow Plush. Here's Beaker the Cow Plush. He is now pretty soon going to be sold on Amazon. You can also get him on the website, but Beaker the Cow Plush will be on Amazon shortly. And so we're excited to launch that. We're going to have a whole branding page. I just recently branded the Cows Go Moo. And so we're expanding our product line and doing all that. As you may have heard, I'm working on book number 3 called The Cows Go Metal. We're introducing a new character called Nigel. He was actually in the Cows Go Moo Shuffle, but he wasn't named yet. And so I'm going to pop a couple fragile stickers on here to make sure that people handle this with care. So here we go. I want these Moo Mugs to get to you guys safely. And we hope that Paige enjoys her Moo Mug. I'm probably overkilling it here on the fragile. This is going off to Paige. We're going to go bring it out to the mailbox right now. It's a beautiful day out here in Bedford, Mass. And Earl and I are going to bring this Moo Mug to the mailbox. Going to Oklahoma. Shipping off a Moo Mug. Enjoy, Paige. Moo ya!